Hey, if your Redmi Note 15 won't turn on, it means like in the 90% that your smartphone is out of the battery. So what you have to do is just to simply plug it in, the USB-C cable and the charger into the port on your Redmi Note 15. And now, as you can see, when your smartphone will have enough battery, then it will turn this on automatically. So when you plug it in and it's not turning on, it means that you have to wait for around 15 to 30 minutes until the battery will recharge. And after that time, you can simply unplug it, then plug it back, and you have to just click and hold this power key until you feel vibration and until the screen of your phone turns on. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have some other issues and your smartphone is still not turning on, it means that probably there's some issue with the battery or your motherboard. So you will have to actually use a warranty and send this device to some services to actually repair it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.